We are at the end of a long day of shooting videos and tips and tricks, and what better way to end than with a cocktail? This is a fast little recipe. All you do is take an ice cube tray, fill it with lemonade and some fruit, freeze it, and you make ice cubes. And then you pour wine or ginger ale over the top. Ken, will you do the honors?
I will. You know what this is called?
Screw top?
It's actually called a Stelvin enclosure.
Of course it is.
Of course it is.
Pour. The lemonade will melt and flavor the wine a bit. Try it with, like I said, ginger ale, champagne, whatever you want.
Awesome.
Susan, Ken, thank you for a great day, y'all.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Happy cooking. Come back.